it is? Bacon time. So we're gonna get the bacon smoker going, and we've got the evaporator going. The pork shoulder sat in a brine for 7 days in the refrigerator before hitting the smoker. Homemade bacon. The slicer going. The vacuum sealer going. Let's get some more bags made. We love homemade bacon, and that's one of the things, like when you make it homemade, it's really hard to go back to store-bought because it tastes nothing like the way bacon should taste. And this tastes like a vacation, a bacon vacation. From 2 pork bellies, we ended up with 14 pounds of packaged bacon and 2 packs of little bacon bits. I will let you know how long it lasts.